also known as Crossroad. So I'm going to give you an overview is what is the Crossroad is all about. And then after that, we're going to go through the property. So bear with me. If you need any question, we can go along the way. So this is 1 minute video about what is Crossroad, quick introduction. I'm going to start now, yeah?
This video doesn't have any audio.
Come again?
This video doesn't have any audio.
Yes, the audio is very loud. You can't hear the audio.
We are not able to hear the music.
You can't hear the music.
Okay, it's absolutely fine. Please continue.
Okay, so I'm going to show you. Can you see this presentation now? Everyone can see this one? Vedan, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can. Yeah, we can.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna proceed. So that is the information about Crossroads. So basically, what we are, this is actually an integrated waterfront hub. As you can see from this slide, this is consists of 9 islands, and where we are is on this part of the island, which is the Crossroad, the Hard Rock, and Sai Lagoon. And I'm going to explain a little bit about the attractions that we have nearby. Because you're staying in the Crossroad is unlike other island that you come to Maldives where you have one island, one resort concept. But here in Crossroad, you have a little bit of all the feeling for fashion, for example, upscale, for offering upscale and casual dining. You have some attractions which is covered on this side. So this is the whole marina. And this is where the 2 resorts are linked. Sai and the Hard Rock is here. So this is all the water villas, and this is all the room and the restaurant. In the video earlier, you saw there is a bridge. This is where link the Hard Rock to the marina. So this is very famous bridge. It's about 450 meters away. And this is the link from Sai Lagoon to the marina. And this is where the water sport and the restaurants, the Maldives Culture Center is all focused on this area. Okay, so when you come to marina or you come and stay with us, you have all these options available for you. So dining, we have 12 restaurants all together. Cross usage facilities is allowed. We have fashions, namely from brand like Rip Curl and other local brand as well. We have the kids club. You can explore the culture center, which is the Maldives Discovery Center, and we also have the Marine Discovery Center. So if let's say for party people, you have the Cafe Dama and also Hard Rock Cafe. And some of the spa we do have at the marina, and we also have spa at the Hard Rock as well. So all this is all within the same island of the Crossroad Maldives. So this is just to give you an idea again, how is the area of the marina. So your guests can utilize all this facility for sure. This is the restaurants that we have in the marina. So we have Ministry of Crab, we have the Canadium, which is the steak, we have the Jiawu Chinese restaurant, kebab and curry. We have the Nihon Bashi, the Japanese restaurant that I mentioned earlier. Cafe Dema. This is Hard Rock Cafe. And this is the shoppings that I mentioned earlier. So this is all the outlets available in the marina. Water sports, obviously we have the supplier for water sports center. And this is the kids club over for Sai Lagoon guests, which they can utilize. So we have indoor and outdoor for them. Spa, which is available. And this is the meeting room, which I will not cover in detail. So the Marine Center, which is the free guided tour, is available for our guests, and the Maldives Discovery Center, where you can learn about the culture of Maldivian. And this is the sample of some villas which we're going to go through in detail later. So how to get there from the airport? So we are 15 minutes away by the speedboat. So once you're out from the arrival hall, you will see our counter in the first front of the area. So you will not miss that. So we are from Malé City is only about 8 kilometers away. And I'm gonna shift the screen to virtual tour. We're gonna go to Hard Rock now, yeah?
Hope everyone is enjoying the virtual tour of Hard Rock. Anna?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. I think you.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to continue. So this is an overview of the whole Hard Rock Resort, Hard Rock Hotel. As you can see, if you go on this part, I'm going to bring you to the arrival right now. So this is the check-in area. This is actually on top of the hill. So from here, the guests will be bring in for the check-in. So after they arrive at the pavilion, where they have to be screened through, and of course, you know, hand sanitize, make sure everything, body temperature is taken. So they will bring the guests to here for the check-in. And next to it, you can see the rock shop, which is on this side. And this is the view of the background in the Indian Ocean for the guests to do the check-in. And it's an open concept.
Request you to please share this URL on this chat box.
Okay, sure. Let me just quickly check right now. chat. Okay. Do you guys get it?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, but are we okay with this virtual tour now? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Okay, okay. So now, what is actually the unique selling point here? Next to this arrival hall, you have the slide, which is the deep purple slide, which I'm gonna bring you there right now. So this is where the check-in area earlier, and as you walk to your right or your left, depending, you will see this open terrace. Then from the open terrace, we have one deep purple slide. So if you wish to check in and straight go to the swimming pool, you have this option. And you can see the background of our water villa in front of from the terrace as well.
It looks fabulous on virtual tour. I'm just thinking like how beautiful it looks from a naked eye.
That's good to know. Okay, we are almost reaching to the deep purple slide here, which is coming very soon. So this is where the best part of being the Hard Rock, because everything is can be, how do I say, not like a typical check-in. So everything is actually more fun, I have to say. So this is the slide here that you can use, and then of course it's linked to the restaurant. This is our outlet and the swimming pool. So I'm gonna go to the pavilion for a quick one. So this is where the guests normally will arrive. We'll screen through. There is the sanitizer mat. The body temperature will be taken from here. Then the guests will be taken by the buggy. We normally take a very small group due to the current situation. So we do have our what do you call that? The program called Hard Rock Safe and Sound. And then we're gonna bring them straight to the check-in area, the reception that you saw earlier. So this is again give you an overview of the place. Then I'm gonna move to the lead-in category, which is, we call it Silver Sky Studio. So this is your room. We have about 32 numbers of this studio. So it can fit 2 adults, 1 kid, or maximum three adults. And the third person, they can use the existing sofa bed in the room. So everyone can see this now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So for Hard Rock, what is unique? Okay, I think as you familiar with the brand, we do have the Sound of Stay music program where the guests can download, can use, they have the access to all the music that are available. And they also have used a complimentary of Fender guitars, as you can see here. They can borrow this or loan this, and they give full equipment so the guests can practice if they interested with that. And there's also some Crossley record player, which is we also can let the guests use for their in-room jam sessions. Of course, we do have all the facility which we're going to see after this, but take a look at the lead-in category first. And this is how the view, and every room comes with the balcony, obviously.
It's a heaven for music lovers.
Yes, of course, definitely, for sure. Then I'm gonna go to show you the overwater pool villa, because this is also very popular request. Okay, and we do have for overwater pool villa, we do have kings, and we also have twin bed available as well. And for the pool villa, we have total of 78 altogether. This particular room, we have total of 37 villas, and still can fit in 3 adults or 2 adults with 1 child. Here, I can show you a bit of the bathroom, how the bathroom look like. So you have double hand wash here, so that you don't have to, what do you call that? You have your own space basically. So there's some element of the elegantness with the openness of the bathroom. Maybe I make it faster. Here, this is your cupboard, and we go back to the room. Let me show you the outside. Here, this is the deck. Okay, can you see the deck photo
Yes,
right
ma'am.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. So this is, like I say, this is most popular room for the market. So basically, for you, you have this in the contract. So we do have some attractive offers available as well.
I have one question. You also give a
Sure,
floating
sure.
breakfast on pool?
Correct, we do because this is also, like I said, a very popular request. So we do come out with the promotion that have the floating breakfast. You are correct, Vedan.
It has an extra cost, or it's already included in this rates?
No, if you are buying this package, which is for this room category, it comes with that benefits.
Okay, it comes with the benefit. No extra
Yes,
cost.
no extra cost. And
That's
if
lovely.
you are more, yeah, if you, there is also, we do have 2 bedroom as well, which we call it Rock Royalty. But this one, we don't have large inventory. So we only have 3 villas. So sometimes you do have a ad hoc request. So you have this in the contract, your main contract. But for all the promotions that we have sent out or launched, we do not include this room category. But just take note, we do have these 2 bedroom requests as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
This is the master bedroom. This room you can fit in maximum 6 adult, or you can have 4 adult, 2 kids, obviously, because being 2 bedroom. So if you have a selective client, particularly looking for the 2 bedroom, so you can consider this. Okay, this is how the whole bathroom. So I'm gonna go outside right now. And that's the view. You are looking at this water villa in front of you is actually Sai Lagoon. So because the location of the resort. And loading field. So this is your own swimming pool, your deck area, and you have your own privacy, obviously. Okay, so far for room, any question before I move to the amenities? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm
We
gonna.
don't. We haven't received any question.
Okay, good. So now this is the rock spa. So we have, this is the reception area, and we also have the treatment rooms, which is the most popular treatment is the face music, where normally they do the treatment based on the music is selected. So there is a single room and there also a couples room. And I'm gonna show you our gym, which is with a nice background of the ocean. So gonna do quick tour for this one. Okay, that's the view. And we also have kids club. Kids club full one for the smaller, like from the toddler below 12, and we also have for the teenager. So that's, we call it teen spirit. So this is actually the arts room, and we also have kids theater. And we do have comprehensive complementary activities provided for the kids and the teenagers, which you can see from our website, which is normally we will update on regular basis. You can have full information about, what's available. This is the Teen Spirit, where you have the jamming room here for them to explore the music, theatre room, and outside is the play area. Restaurant, we have session. This is our, currently is not open for full yet because of the pandemic. We used to have breakfast buffets available, but now everything is served. Buffet we stop for a while. And this is the restaurant overlooking the ocean as well. So we can do dining under the star because of you have outdoor space here. And we also have, of course, the most famous outlet. This is the cafe. So you have the dining, then you have the, what do you call that? The bands performing, and it's also linked to the Hard Rock Cafe shops, which is, you know, you can buy also merchandise. So there are two shops. One is the Hard Rock Hotel, which is next to the lobby, and this is Hard Rock Cafe. Types of outlets that you can buy Hard Rock merchandise. That's the bar, and that's the view of outdoor, which is facing the ocean. And that is the rock shop. So this is what's available here in the rock shop. So this is the end of Hard Rock's Hotel Maldives virtual tour. Do you have any information before I move on to Sai?
No, it's
Any questions?
no
Sorry.
question.
Okay, let's move to Sai Lagoon now. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So Sai Lagoon is actually under the Hilton brand, which is one of the first resort for Sai collection, Curio collection. So you are seeing an overview of the Sai right now. So I'm gonna start with the lobby. So this is the check-in area. So what is unique about Sai compared to Hard Rock, that you have your own Sounds of Music stay program? So here, once the guests check in, number one, they can select their own bathroom amenities. So for check-in, normally you already have given own bathroom, which is standard smell and fragrance, but the guests can also do their own. That's why we call it mix it your own. So here, so this is where we have one person staff normally will help with the guests to create their own, you know, bathroom fragrance amenities. And also the guests are able to select their own welcome snack, which is on this side. So let's just take a look at the restaurant and everything. So they can choose welcome snacks. Normally it's like the welcome, there is rice cracker from Thailand, for example. There are some simple amenities the guests can help themselves. And if let's say they want to replenish, they can ask our staff to do that. And now I'm going to show you, this is a space which is also linked to the hotel. This is everyday space, we call it. So this is where it's connected to the restaurant, which is, we call it Bean and Cafe. And it's also a place for the guests just to hang out. That is connected to the pool bar and also the restaurant, which is, you will see shortly. So the check-in area, the restaurant, and the pool bar. So room for the first category, the lead-in category called Sky Room. So you will see the design and the ambience of Sai Lagoon is different because it's more rustic feeling. And the room is all comes with this, what they call that, the sofa here, which third person. We are using this for the sleeping area. And they have the balcony. Spacious, 44 square meter. So you can arrange for 2 adult, 1 kids, or 3 adults. And I'm going to show you the water villa. So we have over water villa, 20 units available. So the bedroom,
Dear participants, it's Sai Lagoon Curio Collection by Hilton.
correct. Curio Collection by Hilton. And then I'm going to show you the bathroom. It's loading. So we have six room category that we contracted from you can see that from your wholesale contract that we offer. And this resorts is of course, as mentioned, directly connected to the marina. So again, you have all the facilities. You don't feel, only living in one area. So you can explore the island as well. I'm going to show you the deck bathtub. Okay, can you see the deck bathtub right now? So you have the deck here for the sleeping area or for the hangout area, and this is how it look like with the sun lounges and of course the view. Restaurant, we have Cafe Del Mar, Miss Olive Oil, which is olive oil pool bar, and olive oil is next to the reception. And we also have Mr. Tom Yum. So Cafe Del Mar currently is not open. It's of course stopped due to the current situation, but we are looking into Q4 for this to be up and running. And
Ma'am,
this is
Sai Lagoon
inside.
don't have water. That's a pool villa.
Oh, we do have. Sorry.
Okay.
We have just now I show you the overwater. Then I show you the 2-bedroom now. There, can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, just now I mentioned about Cafe Del Mar. Okay, this is breakfast, lunch, and dinner, olive oil. So it's an open concept. It's more like a Mediterranean. And we have Mr. Tom Yum. It's Italian Thai cuisine, which is, it's giving you a slightly different taste of the cuisine that we have in Maldives. And also the pool bar. Okay, and it's also adjacent to the swimming pool. So this is an overview of the area. Activities available. Okay, I'll start with fitness center. This is in the center of the area of the resort, basically. Spa, which is connected to the marina. So we have 2 spa, one at Hard Rock, which is the body rock, and then we also have land spa, Land Be Well Spa. And kids club, which is this is called the Malim and Koi Mala. So we have 3 separate area, indoor and outdoor. So they also have camping available and all list of activities for the kids. So this is the reading room. And going straight to the activity room. And the last one, we're gonna go to see the art room. Okay, this is how it look like. So the beauty of this place is because it's really next to the Cafe de Mar. So, you know, when parents is actually going for breakfast or for meals, they will be, you know, handling the kids here, and we have all the staff are trained. We have the train the sitter, one of the company in Australia that providing all this babysitting and training for the staff. And last, I think you have seen the swimming pool earlier. So that is the whole Sai Lagoon island, which is on this side you have Hard Rock and you also have Marina. So now on this part, any questions that you need to ask from me related to the resort and the Marina as full facility?
Hi, Ada, Deepak here. I just want to know that how many two-bedroom rooms do you have?
2 bedroom for Hard Rock or 2 bedroom for
No,
Sai
for Sai
Lagoon?
Lagoon. For Sai Lagoon.
Sai Lagoon. Sai Lagoon 2 bedroom, we have 4 villas. 2 bedroom over water pool villa, we have 2.
Okay. Over the pool will out. Okay,
Yes.
only 2. All right.
So
And
just,
if some guest wants to like go for 2 nights in Sai Lagoon and 2 nights in some other resort, not Hard Rock, then is it possible?
if they want
Like
to have, meaning to say they want to stay with us only for 2 nights,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
2 nights.
then they move to another resort which is not Hard Rock. Hello, Deepak?
Yes, yes. For example,
okay.
he's giving you example that 2 night in, for example, he want to live in some other hotel and 2 nights in your hotel.
Yeah, no problem. We don't have minimum stay for FIT booking. It's available. You can stay from as long as short as 1 night, not a problem. Unless during peak period. Peak period normally we do have minimum stay from 30 until 31st. That we have the minimum stay. But other than that, not a problem. Hello?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other question? I can share with you this virtual tour if let's say you know
You just copy and paste in chat box.
I'm doing it now. I share already for Hard Rock. Let me share for Sai now. Okay. Okay, for Sai.
Yeah, got it.
Got it. Okay.
Mr. Sunil is asking, are kids allowed in water villas?
I can't hear. Come again?
Are kids allowed in water villas?
Yes, they do, because that's the reason why we mention maximum capacity for adult and for kids. We allowed the kids to be in the water villa. And for Hard Rock, for example, and both Hard Rock and Sai, we do have dedicated kids amenities like
Yes,
the
yes, I've seen. You have Hard Rock special kids room. Oh, sorry, that's a section.
Correct. That's good. And you can have all the information in terms of the program as well. Okay, I'm looking at the chat box. Any age restriction for kids in water villa? Sunil, the answer is no, because as long as the parents is with them, should not be a problem.
Actually, we have less than 3 minutes.
Okay.
Might be this video will automatically disconnect.
Sure, no problem. So I'm working closely with Vedan. There are some interesting promotion that I just launched and I already shared with Vedan. So
Mr. Sunil is asking, do you offer Jain food?
We can arrange with advance notice because we do have Indian restaurant kebab and curry, and we have Indian chef as well. And Indian is a big market for us, of course we do. But give us ample notice, can be arranged before the guests arrive. We do have Indian food, yes. Honeymooners amenities, we do have honeymooners amenities. We do provide some special arrangement, but I believe Vedan will be the right person to advise you since we have contract with him. We do have the what do you call that, honeymoon setup in the rooms and villa. We do give them a bottle of wine, and we do have some promotion if they stay longer. So yes, this is correct.
I have already shared them with all the your offers with everyone.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So we have
Both
family
Hard Rock and Sai
offers.
Lagoon. Both promotion I'm doing right now.
Good, good. Because we do have early bird offer. We do have honeymooners amenities benefit. We do have family offers because obviously two resorts are very strong with the family and honeymooners market. And we also have launch